Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Mauto channel. This time I will explain about benefits of longan for health. Longan fruit is widely used as a complement in the recipe, especially used as topping on the cake. Perhaps some of us have never known this longan plant. The longan fruit plants is an original plant from Southeast Asia. Longan fruit is much to love because of the sweet but fresh taste that is in the flesh. Since the fruit is seasonal, many food manufacturers are packing it in canned form. But it is very good longan fruit consumed, because the benefits of longan fruit is able to support health as follows. Number 1. Increase vitamin C. Lack of vitamin C intake, it is likely to easily develop high blood pressure, heart disease, age-related macular degeneration and some cancers. Raw longan is an excellent source of vitamin C benefits, which is about 84 mg from 3.5 ounces. This amount supplies 93% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C in men, that is 90 mg. And more than 100% of the needs of 75 mg a day women. Number 2. Strengthening bones. A study published in 2013 in Maturitas reported that menopausal women who had lower minerals such as copper were significantly more likely to develop osteoporosis with age. Adults should consume about 900 micrograms of copper daily and 3.5 ounces of fresh longan supply provides 19% of these recommendations. Dry lychee is a better source. A 3.5 ounce portion of dry longan has 807 micrograms of minerals, nearly 90% of the RDA. Number 3. Sufficient iron needs. Vegetarians tend to be iron deficient compared to those who eat meat. This is because the iron provided by plant foods is not absorbed as easily as iron from animal products, for example in the benefits of beef. Pregnant women, athletes and teenage girls may need more iron. Longan dry can help increase iron intake. Each 3.5 ounce longan contains about 5 mg, or about 62% of the daily requirement of iron. Number 4. Prevent eye disorders. Riboflavin is an important vitamin that is part of the benefits of vitamin B complex. Men need 1.3 mg of this vitamin daily, while women should have 1.1 mg. According to the Archives of Ophthalmology study published in 2005. Not consuming adequate riboflavin may increase the risk of eye disorders, especially cataracts. Crude longan contains 0.14 mg riboflavin in every 3.5 ounces. But dry longan has 0.5 mg per serving. Each 3.5 ounces longan dry supplied 38% of daily riboflavin requirement for men and 45% requirement of women. Number 5. Healthy brain function. Copper on longan fruit promotes brain function. Copper is needed to produce norepinephrine, a chemical used by brain cells to communicate. Copper also helps keep the sheath surrounding the nerves and for efficient nerve function. This allows the brain to metabolize other brain communication molecules, including dopamine. In 100 grams of fruit, longan supplies 169 micrograms of copper, or 19% of the recommended daily intake, set by the Institute of Medicine. Number 6. Healthy metabolism. Longan contains riboflavin that supports metabolism. The abundant riboflavin in longan makes an important component for energy production. It also helps to activate the coenzymes needed for the metabolism of fats, carbohydrates and proteins. One serving of Longan offers 0.14 mg riboflavin, which is 11% of recommended daily intake for men and 13% for women. Defined by the Institute of Medicine, Longan also contains niacin and thymine, which also support metabolism. Number 7. Prevent tissue damage. Consuming Longan fruit can protect the tissue from damage due to its vitamin C content. Vitamin C has powerful antioxidant benefits, and this means that it can prevent free radicals from oxidizing cell membranes, lipids and DNA. Otherwise, free radicals will accumulate in the system and harm the tissues, thus increasing the risk of arthritis and cancer. Number 8. Antinatural depressants. Longan does wonders for nervous problems. Longan provides a relaxing effect on the nerves and is shown to improve nerve function, lower anger and reduce fatigue. Longan treats neurasthenic neurosis and insomnia, and is also able to deal with neurasthenia and sleep disorders. Number 9. Keeping your skin healthy. Longan is also beneficial for the skin. Longan contains anti-aging properties and proven to improve skin health. Longan fruit is very beneficial for the skin around the eyes, minimize the skin crack and improve skin color. Longan can also maintain healthy teeth and gums, so that in good condition. Health benefits from Longan. Longan fruit is very popular profit benefit of treatment. Longan fresh and sweet has more health advantages. As listed below are some of the health benefits of consuming Longan fruits. Number 1. Heart health. Heart problems are due to unhealthy heart conditions caused by some problems. Longan fruit consists of good magnesium and potassium, which is quite beneficial for the normal functioning of the heart. It helps relax muscles and nerves that are connected to heart organs that affect blood pressure. Number 2. Helps control blood pressure. As we know that a balanced amount of magnesium and potassium is needed to maintain blood pressure levels. Longan consists of a good amount of minerals, so it is very beneficial for maintaining blood levels. So include Longan in your regular diet to have a balanced blood pressure level. Number 3. Helps lose weight. Fruit is an important part of weight loss program. Longan is a good source of carbohydrates that are very important to form energy, even when the body's diet will get enough stamina and at the same time help reduce your desire for food. In addition, Longan also consists of sufficient amount of water that will keep your body hydrated. Number 4. Prevent the development of cancer. Almost all the fruit is a rich source of antioxidants and is a powerful solution to prevent the development of cancer cells. Cancer cells are caused by untreated damaged cells caused by free radicals. The best way to overcome this is to remove damaged cells before it will affect healthy cells. Polyphenols have the ability to handle the damaged cells, and at the same time help regenerate new and healthy cells. Longan fruit is an excellent source of polyphenols that include Longan fruits in your diet, best for cancer. Number 5. Excellent prescription medication. Stress is one of the most common psychological problems people face the whole world, and the main causes of stress are unhealthy social life, work pressures and more. The routine consumption of Longan is one of the best choices to deal with stress. because it consists of certain substances that help calm stress. Number 6. Against anemia. Longan consists of a fairly good amount of iron, which is very important for the treatment of anemia. Iron is important for producing red blood cells. The number of red blood cells in the right body means zero risk of anemia. In addition, Longan is a very good source of vitamin C. And this vitamin is a natural substance that helps increase the absorption of iron. Number 7. Healthy metabolism. Riboflavin found in many Longan fruits is essential for a healthy metabolism. This substance has a contribution in stimulating special enzymes that can help the body optimize the process of fats, carbohydrates and proteins in a proper way. Number 8. Natural remedy for stomach pain. Longan consists of certain substances that can help healing at home to cure some stomach problems like pain and infection. Because of its antimicrobial action, it helps some stomach problems by removing or killing the root cause of the infection. Number 9. Beneficial for oral health. As mentioned earlier, the Longan fruit is made up of good amounts of vitamin C. Vitamin C is beneficial enough to keep the membranes damaged. So consumption of groupers regularly helps maintain oral health. Because it is a mineral-rich fruit, it also helps in maintaining strong tooth structure. Number 10. Sex tonic. Since ancient times, Longan was considered one of the best sex tonics by the Chinese. The Chinese recognized it as an herbal medicine at first because of its ability to provide longer energy is good for any sexual activity. Number 11. Delaying aging. Polyphenols found in Longan are considered as one of the best natural anti-aging sources. However, polyphenols have a rapid response to free radicals and will remove them from the body's system to keep healthy cells unaffected. Thus cell regeneration is performed effectively without interference that makes anti-aging durable. Number 12. Wound recovery. Vitamin C and vitamin B are important vitamins essential for repairing damaged cells. Wounds are also a type of damaged skin cells, and vitamin C helps repair damaged tissue. Because it also functions as an antimicrobial, it also prevents wounds from further infection. Open wounds are easily contaminated by bacteria. Include mucus in your diet to get the required amount of vitamins. Longan fruit nutrition content. This small round brown fruit is very similar to the popular lychees found in China. Packed with essential nutrients, this fruit is an excellent addition to the daily diet. Delicious and sweet fruits are also very enjoyable to eat, and provide many benefits. Here are the nutrition details of Longan fruit. Water, 83 grams. Protein, 1.3 grams. Carbohydrates, 15 grams. Fiber, 1.3 grams. Vitamin B1, thiamine, 0.031 mg. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, 0.014 grams. Vitamin B3, niacin, 0.3 mg. Vitamin C, 84 grams. Calcium, 1 gram. Iron, 0.13 grams. Potassium, 266 milligrams. Magnesium, 10 grams. Zinc, 0.05 milligram. Enjoy fresh Longan fruit as a snack or cut it for use as a topping in spinach or kale salad. Longan canned fruits are also widely available in stores. However, versions of canned fruits are often packed with additional syrup, which means added sugar. For optimal health benefits, choose fresh Longan fruit and contain no added sugar. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.